Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this cool creepy looking Halloween Frankenstein decoration just out of a piece of scrap 2x4. So for this project I'll be using a scrap piece of 2x4 timber. So to start off with, I'm going to mark up a section of this timber and I'm going to go with around 22 centimeters of length here, and using the speed square I'm just going to mark some straight lines. Then I quickly just drew on an outline for the hair, and then I started to mark up where I wanted the nose to go. And I made some marks for where the mouth is going to go later on. And then I could work out where to mark up for the eyes. Then I could cut the wood out on the miter saw. I then took an awl and just made those marks more permanent. I then wanted to make a mark either side at the bottom here, and that's going to be where the bolts are going to go in the neck area. So for the eyes I'm going to be using a force and a bit just to drill them out about 2mm deep, just to give the eyes a bit more texture and a bit more dimension. Then I could drill a hole for the nose. This is going to go all the way through, and that's going to accommodate a screw which will hold the nose on. So now I'm going to add the screw from the back. And for the nose I'm using an old doorknob, and I'm going to add some glue and then screw it onto the screw nice and tight. So to draw the mouth I'm just using a cable tie here to help me to get the curve, and then I'm just going to draw around the cable tie. Then I could drill some pilot holes for the bolts later on. Now using a cork I'm going to draw around that for the interior part of the eye. So I used a round over bit in my router here just to round over the top of the head to make it a bit rounder and smoother. You could just use some sandpaper for this. And then I just smoothed everything off with some sandpaper. Now it was time for painting. So I'm using some green, this is all water-based acrylic paint. Some green paint here for the main areas, the nose and the face. Then I painted in white into the eyes. once the green was dry, I could start on the head. So I'm painting the hair black, just using a detail brush to get the outlines of the fringe. Then I could paint the mouth, again with the detail brush, and I'm going to paint on some detail to make it look like stitches. Then I could work on the eye detail. So then the last thing to do was to add these coach bolts into either side of the neck. And I decided to add some glitter paint over the whole thing, just to make it look a little bit more interesting. Okay, so that's about it for this video. I think it turned out good in the end, considering it is just a scrap bit of 2x4 and a doorknob and some paint. So why not try this out for yourself? Happy Halloween. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.